Welcome back to Origami videos. In this video I'm gonna teach you how to make this origami bookmark flower without glue. All you're gonna need for it is a square piece of paper, and I'm using 15 by 15 centimeters, and we'll start by folding our paper in half on both diagonals. So bring one corner of the paper to another and press it down. And now open it and bring this corner up to this one. Now open your paper and bring this upper point of the paper to this center of the paper. And make sure that this middle line stays straight. In next step, just fold this upper part of the paper over on this center line, like this, and reinforce the crease. Now fold this right line of the paper down and align it with the middle line. And do the same with this left line. And just press it down. And now bring this bottom corner of the paper to this outside corner. And do the same with this side of the paper. So just corner to corner. And now open your paper to this position, and you will bring this corner of the paper to this corner right here. So place your fingers inwards and go through this middle line and align corner to corner. You already have the creases, and just make sure that it's in the middle and press it down. And now fold this bottom point of the paper to this upper point of the paper. This, and now bring this part of the paper over and bring this corner of the paper over to this corner, just like we did in the previous step, and press it down in the middle, and again fold it upwards to this corner right here. And press it down, and now bring this layer of the paper over so that we are in the middle, and now bring those two corners up to the center. So on one side and on the other, like this, and now just unfold them. And next step, bring this part of the paper downwards, open it, and fold it up on this line. And press it down, and bring this part over so that we are in the middle again. Pull this part of the paper to open it, like this, and fold it upwards. This, and again open it to the middle position. Now pull this part of the paper downwards, and remember that the crease that is facing upwards, you will fold it to the crease that is facing downwards. So bring this crease to this one, pinch it together, and press it down. And again with this one, crease that is facing upwards goes to crease that's facing downwards, like this. And now the same on the other side. Open this part of the paper, and this upward crease goes to this downward crease, and with the last one, this upwards goes to this downwards. So and bring it to this one, like so. Now all we need to do is bring the corners of the paper inwards so that the leaves will be a little more rounded. So start with this one, pull it a little bit inwards, like so, and do the same with the others. Just stack it a little bit inwards. And now with this bottom, also tuck them inwards. And if you want, now it's the time to adjust some. And this is how you make Origami Bookmark Flower. I hope you enjoyed this video. Click like and subscribe, and see you in next video.